Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Karen, and we're looking at a beautiful 53 Chevrolet Bel Air. We're in the mountains of Trinity County. It's where I love to be. It's got a fresh 6-cylinder. It's got a really nice paint job, although I do see a couple flaws. It's got a great look to it. Got a nice interior. It's got a beautiful body. It's a California car. The chrome looks great. It's a beautiful cruiser. It sounds like it was finished recently, so it's turnkey, ready to roll. Got nice door panels, good upholstery, all brand new. Nice headliner. All the gauges are functioning. It's an automatic. This thing is really sweet. Good old 53 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is one of them. See that right there? It's one of the flaws in the paints. And I noticed there was some yellowing on the door. Driver's side door in a couple spots, kind of down here, down below. Not sure if the video's showing you. A little bit up there. It's got a little bit right there. It's got something right there. But the owner said the paint's available, so if you want to make it perfect, it's going to need a little fine tuning. I took plenty of still pictures of the car. Please check them out, plattmotors.com. This thing runs great, recent restoration, California car, 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, purrs like a kitten. Here's a peek from the passenger side. Emergency brakes working. Passenger side door panel's nice. Did a real nice job on this one. So if you like these early 50s Chevys like I do, you should give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Nice sound for a 6-cylinder. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. The website is plattmotors.com. Please check it out. This is the next one. Karen's got a nice car collection, and we're gonna help sell one at a time. So give me a call. I appreciate you looking at my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon. 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air. Beautiful shape. Ready to go. Summertime's coming. Give me a call. Michael Platt. Thank you. Bye-bye.